So let's see the next concept, like class and object. The main concept in a oops object oriented programming is class. Okay, object oriented main concept is class. Okay, so it is user defined data type. Class is a user defined data type and is used to define the data members and member functions. So in the class we can declare data members and member functions either in a public, private, and one more is there, protected. One more is there, protected. Okay, how we are defining this class? The general structure is like this. Class is a keyword. Class is a keyword, and we can give any name, uh, and we can define the access specifier. We are calling it as access specifier. Public, private, and protected, and these three are access specifiers, and the variables we are using in the class and the functions we are using in the class. Then after semicolon, then after a semicolon we must give, after this void main we must give object in the main. Okay, let's see the example for this class. I am writing a class for student. Class student. What is the class name? Student. Okay, simply I am reading a student number s underscore no, student number, and simply marks. Okay, float marks, and then I'm reading and printing. Simply read print. What is the read? See out, enter student number and marks. See in s underscore number marks. Okay, so void display. So I need to end this function, right? So okay, void display. So simply it will print the number and marks whatever we have given. Okay, so see out given number. Okay, s underscore no, and marks. Marks. Okay, so give the semicolon, class closed and semicolon. Okay, so we need to execute that class objects, the to execute that class data members or member functions, we have to declare object for the class. What is the class name? Student. What is the object I am going to give? Yes, simply yes. So to execute that read function, s dot read, dot is a operator. We are calling a data member or member function. We are calling a member function, s dot display, s dot display. So in this way we can read or display. We have given object for the class, we have given object for the class, then after with the object we are reading a member function of the class. We are reading a member function of the class. Okay, so two errors, very good. We should get these errors. Student read is not accessible. Student display is not accessible. Why it is not accessible? By default, if I give any what access specifiers, it is okay. Otherwise, it will take it as a private. So that means we cannot access. So that's why we should declare it as public. We should declare it as public, then only it will be available for the next level. Okay, otherwise we cannot access those class member functions and data members. So enter the student number and marks. For example, 1234 is the number, marks are 678 are the marks, 678. So given number is 1234 and marks is 678. So like this we can give a simple class, we can write a simple class program. So with the class keyword and then the name, user given name, and the access specifier, variables and functions, semicolon, and the object of the class. Object of the class, with the object we can read the functions of the class. Okay, this is the example for the class. Any doubts?